Running pretty good.
Well, at least we got spark again.
Yeah, now we just gotta address the carburetor problem.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end up changing it.
Will that linkage actually hook up with that?
This? No, we'll take it off.
Well, I mean this part for a throttle.
We'll have to look at it. I think we're gonna have to change it though. This carb is not happy. You know the timing's good. Because, well, we've said it a dozen times and it fires up and runs good. But once you lower the idle or take the choke off,
then it quits.
It wants to die off. So
it's not getting enough fuel.
Yeah, it's not getting fuel. The carburetor's not carbureting. And I don't know if we have time to actually rebuild this one. Maybe we can get it rebuilt if we can find a kit. We'll look at the other carb and see what it wants to do. And
that one was originally on this engine in the first place. Yes.
Yes, this is the original carburetor.
For this truck,
never touched
but
it.
The other carburetor's for this engine.
Right.
So maybe that one's torn apart and already done. So
we'll have to look it over. Anyway, so you can do your thing.
Go over it.
Yeah, well, in your coupe, you did the rims.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that.
All that stuff.
All right.
New coil in this.
Yeah. Alright, so starting off, we put a new resistor in here too for the coil and stuff because it was getting power was going straight to the coil. So coil cracked, so we got a new one. Got a new one today. I put that in there, put the new resistor in. We just finally got spark. Once we got spark, I put a little bit of fuel in the carb and it fired instantly and started running pretty good actually. So it's just the carburetor has to be choked just to keep it actually idling. Otherwise it idles way too low because it's not getting enough fuel and more air. So we're gonna address that and see how much we can do with that carburetor before, well, I'll get into that later. But alright, so besides that, down here I redid the rims and I actually did the hubs, painted it black, and then redid the rings on all 4 tires. I did that the past few days. That one, the 2 on the other side. Ordered headlight bezels for front headlights so we can get them mounted. Both of them, we got to get new ones of these. New turning signal lights, hopefully we can get them in time too. And get some reflector lights for the back box. And yeah, there's some stuff to do yet, but it's really not too bad. Stuff's finally starting to go our way on this, so hope it stays that way. But I bet you as soon as Grandpa comes back over, it's not gonna run. I bet ya. But alright, other thing, Coupe. It looks 10 grand more now. Get to this side. That tire's flat. There, look at that. Black rims. Pretty sweet. Painted them the other day. And I touched up on them today. Put some Fix-A-Flat in these tires and ran it back and forth through here. Just to get it moving in there. That tire over there didn't go as flat as fast. So that's improvement. But I still need to get new tires. Power Wagon. Looks cool from this angle. And then, yeah, this thing fires right up. Put a couple drops of gas in the carburetor and she sings right away. So glad this is running really good. Now that just needs to start running better. And that one. So, yep. I don't know. And then I did maintenance on our big 4-wheeler today as well. It's just the little things for right now. But then my darn spring snapped. Look at that. Never in a million years would I thought that was gonna break. So now, got a darn piece of wood holding it up. That one's still good over there, but this one decided to snap on me as I'm putting the battery in. Thing drops. As soon as you take this piece of wood out, it drops. That one hurt. See? Told ya. Put my fingernail all the way back. That hurt. Otherwise, just kind of getting everything ready for something next month. Iola Car Show. We're hoping to take this to it. It should be a fun one. So, we're going to do our clear coat and stuff there and all that fun stuff. So, it should be fun. We're going to have our own tent. We're going to be doing everything there. It'll be fun. I'll get more into detail on that later on once we have the truck done better and stuff. So, I thought there was somebody standing there. I seen shirt and head right here. I thought there was somebody standing over there. Nope, just bottle of gas. Idiot. But alrighty. Pretty sure that's it for now. Till I get that carburetor fixed and oh, also, well, I told you I got them done. They look awesome. Inside's done. And then, obviously, then we salted the boxes and back, and just waiting for the rust to come back through now. And should have done this Friday, but it just been raining every single day since Friday. So hopefully that comes through soon, so we can get rid of the salt, and then, yeah, you get it. Get the rust popping back through. But, alrighty. I'll let you folks go, and that should be it for this video, because there's really nothing else going on besides the carburetor now, and just moving stuff around. If we can get this running good enough to drive it, we're taking it right back where it was up by the garage, because we gotta weld a little bit on top of the truck. You can see the stars through the windshield. You can see them. We gotta fill all of them in quick, and then so yeah, the welder will fit through there and stuff. So, or it'll fit. I don't know if we're gonna back it up to the garage or if we're just gonna drive it straight up to the garage. I don't know. I'd like to back it up to the garage so everybody can see the front. But, alrighty guys, I'll let you go, and I will, when's the next time? Maybe tonight yet if we move the truck, I don't know. But, alright guys, I'll let you go. I'll see you guys here pretty soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys later. Bye.